Hey everyone, what we're going to look at today is the Blackboard Communication tool that we have through our website, which is from Blackboard Communications. In either your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store, what you'd be able to do is you'd be able to type in Comm HQ, just like it is up in the top left-hand corner of my screen, and you'll be able to find this app. Once you open up the app, once it's downloaded, you'll see Blackboard pops up. The first time you log into it, you will have to link yourself to Alexandria Public Schools and use your login in order to have it connect to your account. Once you are here and you have the same screen that I have, it's very, very similar to Remind. The reason why is because it's a communication tool with parents. The reason why it's awesome is because we do not have to worry about having parents sign up for the app and then you constantly have parents saying, "Oh, I didn't have the app, where's the key for it?" It's all pulled from our Affinity system and automatically generated into this app. The only downside to it is that if students are from Zion, St. Mary's, or New Testament, they are not in our system and they will not be able to be on this app. However, because we do not know where the data is stored with Remind and other things like that, we do want to encourage all activities coaches to use this app for communication for parents. So what I would do is in the new messages up in the top left, I would select that. So my recipients, I'm going to look at, I don't have any groups, but in my classes are going to be the activities that I coach. So right now we have baseball, boys, girls, basketball, and football. All I would need to do is select one of these class periods or multiple. And you notice that there's a purple circle around it when I click on it. That means that that group is added to my classes. The three dots in the circle on the right-hand side of my screen, if I were to click on that, will break down every player and parent together inside of the app that is inside of the class that you have. However, I will not do that because I have not asked permission to show any student or parent data. Once I am ready, I'm going to hit back and notice that up top of the recipients it says 86 individuals. That means that either this text or this message will be sent to 86 individuals, students and players. So I'd enter a subject, and I would enter in my message, whether that's practice is canceled today, we're moving it to this place, the game is postponed, etc. I can also take a picture if you notice down in the corner, the left side. And the blue mail button that is at the bottom middle means that that's an email that's being sent. If I were to click the bubble next to it, notice that it says text message. So then we can also send text messages to parents just like we would with Remind. That's a basic overview. Once you type it in, have the message that you want, you'd be able in the top right to hit send, and this message was sent to those 86 individuals. If you have any other questions, don't be afraid to let us know. Thanks.